lishonile mbukeli angikuvusele tindzabeni kulendzambama kanzi nalamuhla ngitethula bukhoma eAuckland Park eJose mkhuluka yawe SABC asibongeke ukuthi ukhethe thine nadi ilethamba yembili
ashwarile madokotela bangashwarile bonesi ukuthi labantwana ba healthy.
What is also interesting about this baby is that he is the sixth baby from the mother.
Tifunza ngekwehlukana tamukele tinswane letibelekwe ngakhisimusi.
This season holds profound significance for Christian believers in particular.
I'd like to wish all Christian South Africans a blessed and joyful Christmas.
Our prayer is for the unity of all South Africans.
Tinhlangano tepolitiki tifisele takhamuti takuleli khisimusi nemaholidi ekuphela kweminyaka laphephile.
We are not focused on no one. For us, the most important thing is the team.
Umqeqeshi webafana bafana Hugo Broos uthi angeke bagcile kuMohamed Salah kuphela kusasa nabatfolana eTulu neleGibhithe emidlalweni weAFCON eMorocco. Tifunza takuleli ngekwehlukana kwato timukele tinswane emkhathini walamabili tikhulu tahulumende tifundzeni letehlukene kanye nebaphathiswa betempilo banikete letinswane tipho takhisimusi.
Mvunankulu wesifundza saseMpumalanga Amandla Ndlovu kanye nemphathiswa wetempilo kulesifundza sasekani Manzini bavakashele esibhedlela saseWitbank namhla lapho khona kubelekwe tinswane letini kulokusa kwanamuhla. Ndlovu naManzini baphinze bavakashela lewadi lebantfwana kude batoba phatipho takhisimusi. Lingamashumi lamathathu nakuthathu tinswane tibelekwe etibhedlela tahlukene kulesifundza.
Ngiyajabula ukuthi labantwana bangashwarile madokotela bangashwarile bonesi ukuthi labantwana ba healthy, labantwana bana future.
Ganzike eFree State Mvunankulu walesifundza uthi lesifundza simukela uswane lokucala esibhedlela sasePilenome eBloemfontein.
What is also interesting about this baby is that he is the sixth baby from the mother. But the mother is healthy, they're both healthy. We've also accepted one from MUCPP clinic. The conditions of the mom is not that well. They have to be brought here to Pelinome Hospital.
Ganzike eNorthwest lokhulumela uhulumende walesa sifundza silothatha yokuqinisekisile ukuthi ubelekwe tinswane tingamashumi lamathathu nakunye.
We understand that only two was born in this particular facility, but even above that, the Premier will be handing some goodies to the mothers and including the babies.
Ganzike eGauteng umphathiswa wetempilo kulesifundza uvalse khathatea ngekubeleka kwebantfwana labancane. Umntfwana leminyaka leli-16 ungulomunye walabo labamukele tinswane kulokhisimusi. Tinhlangano tepolitiki letehlukene kuleli tifisele takhamuti khisimusi lomuhle nemaholidi laphephile. Bosopolitiki bacele ukuthi kube nekubambisana kusitwe nalabo labaswele kulesikhathi. Bagcizelele nekuphepha emigwaqeni.
This season holds profound significance for Christian believers in particular, as it marks the birth of Jesus Christ. And it reminds us that unity, compassion, and respect for one another are values that must guide us not only at the year end, but every day.
On behalf of the Democratic Alliance, I'd like to wish all Christian South Africans a blessed and joyful Christmas.
As the year draws to a close, I'd like to wish all my colleagues in Parliament across all parties and the people of South Africa a peaceful and well-deserved festive season.
Take this opportunity to wish every South African a Merry Christmas and prosperous New Year 2026.
On behalf of our President, Gayton McKenzie and Kenny Kunene, we wish to wish all our parliamentarians and South Africans at large a joyous commemoration of the birth of our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, and also a safe and peaceful holiday period with friends and family.
May this festive season fill our hearts with peace, love and joy, and may the new year bring hope and blessings. Blessed Christmas.
Fellow South Africans, on behalf of the African Christian Democratic Party, I wish you and your family a very special Christmas.
May this season bring joy, peace and safety to your homes.
I wish you safety on the roads for citizens who are going to be traveling. And I pray that over this time we can experience peace.
South Africa has a serious alcohol abuse problem. For those of us who have cars, please don't drink and drive once again. Secondly, let us not carry weapons to places of entertainment.
Let's note that it is unacceptable to have the high levels of gender-based violence and femicide that we are experiencing as we conclude 2025.
Let us continue to hold the spirit of Ubuntu, unity and collective responsibility. And while we are celebrating, let us not forget those who are in need.
This festive season, our prayer is for the unity of all South Africans.
Si lilanga lekubumbana tipho nekuhlala nemndeni kanzi imindeni leminyenti isebenzisa lelilanga kute ujabulela kukhanya kwekhasino leseBloemfontein. Lemindeni ifika kulendzawo ithwebule titfombe iphindze itijabulise ngetindlela letehlukene kulesikhatsi.
Christmas isikhathi sekujabula. Letibane tikhombisa kusengiso sikhathi saKhismusi. Letibane kule khasini etiqale kukhanyisa mhla titini kule nyanga lesetulu. Kanti tikhanyisa umnyaka wesithathu.
Everyone had a tough year. This is a time of giving, a time of festivities, a time of fun, a time of family. And as you can see around you, family are coming through and they're enjoying the time.
I love the lights, I love the decor, the Christmas spirit. It's just giving me that energy.
As locals from Bloemfontein, we actually love the area quite a bit. We love bringing the family, the kids. So when we heard that their Christmas lights, we knew it was a great opportunity to have the family all together.
We just came today just to show the little one how the lights are looking at Christmas. And yeah, this is a every year thing that we come to either Naval Hill or we come here. Yeah, and it's a beautiful thing to see during the festive season.
Sikubutile mbukeli ukuthi njengobe lamuhla sibungata lilanga la Christmas kufikela nyalo lihamba njani lelilanga kuwe nangu umbono wakho.
Ngalami lika Christmas lisahamba kahle kakhulu akukho kubi njengisabonile noma izulu elibuye lisiphazamise ngoba lina njalo kodwa ke isahamba kahle.
Hayi kusahamba kahle nje sihlile ekhaya sidlibi liboco asizulanga siyanga ndawo sibheke wona nje uChristmas lona.
Ngasho ngokukhulu ngingahlonizi lokho ukuthi konke kuhamba kahle umuntu uhlezi kamnandi nomndeni emakhaya kumnandi indlela emangalisayo ayikho into emnandi nje ukuba kulesi sikhathi nanokuba nomndeni ngalesi sikhathi sonyaka.
Apha ukuthi hey hayi kubi kakhulu yabona apha ematatela kuyanetha ngoba kunetha msasazi asikwazi ba masithini sibhiyozele kodwa ke masithembe abanye abantu bayidle kakuhle.
Lami lilanga lingiphathe kahle kakhulu la Christmas konke kukahle la eGoli.
Ngalami la Christmas ngilithakasele kakhulu namuhla ngihlethi nemndeni wami sinjawoni sikhibikile kuningi lokunye lesikhumbutana ngako kuningi lokunye besifundisana ngako.
Lona ke ngumbono wembukeli iSABC ete yetfestwa kutiphendulela ngawo. Emaphoyisa aseGauteng ngabophe bashayeli labalishumi nakubili ngekushayela budlapha emigwaqeni lemikhulu N1, N4 neN14. Labashayeli batawetfeswa nemacala ekushayela ngesivinini lesetulu kunalesi ke lesibekiwe. Umshayeli oneminyaka lengamashumi lamathathu nesihlanu uthole ashayela ngesivinini lesengu 199 km ngelihora.
These suspects will appear in Pretoria and Bronkhorstspruit magistrate offices on Monday. Overspeeding remains the leading cause of road traffic fatalities. Therefore, motorists are warned not to exceed the prescribed speed limits. Gauteng Traffic Police will continue to conduct speed law enforcement operations in order to ensure that our citizens are safe.
Kusenjalo kushone bantfu lababili kwalimala labanye labasikhombisa ngesikhathi ibhasi ishayisana neloli ku-N1 futhi neLouis Trichardt Limpopo. Lababili balimele lokubabatekako kanzi labashonile ngumshayeli wale bhasi neloli. Lena ke yingoti yesibili yendeka kulomgwaqo lethinta ibhasi neloli emalangeni lamathathu. Ngekusho kwe-Border Management Authority, bantfu labangetulu kwa 350,000 basebenzise liheke lele bombo eMpumalanga. Commissioner wetemaheke Dr. Michael Masiapato uvete ukuthi ke itolo kube nesibalo lesetulu kwendlula tibalo letike tabakhona ngaphambilini.
Sometimes people think that maybe it's because the processing is slow. The processing is not slow. As we said yesterday, we have 30 counters where we are doing the processing. The issue is just the volumes. So as you process, they keep on coming. As we process, they keep on coming. Hence the numbers that we are talking about. From where we are sitting, even when we do the aggregation, we have actually now surpassed 350,000 people just in the past, I would say, seven days. So that is a very serious number. We do think that when we do the overall aggregation, ultimately, we'll be sitting with almost 500,000 that will be processed just here in Lebombo, as it were.
Kulinzeleke ukuthi uqhubeke nekwenyuka umthamo wetimoto kuleleke. I-Border Management Authority itiphikile netinsolo letithike tisebentitayo tiyafumbathiswa. Kanti-ke kuletinye nasibuya ititolo umndeni wakaGumede uyaqhubeka nekupfungatha sidvumbu sasiyabonga Gumede lomuke nemandi. Wemukelekile mbukele esigabeni sesibili setindzaba nawusanza ngena kusekhona hlala nathi. Sekuphele iminyaka lengemashumi lamathathu kusukela kwabulawa balandzeli be-ANC kwashobashobane eNingizimu yaKwaZulu Natal mhla tingemashumi lamabili nesihlanu enyangeni yeNgongoni nga-1995. Labo ke labasinza kulesigameko bathi solo abakhoni kudlulisa lokwendeka. Balandzeli be-IFP bahlasela balandzeli be-ANC enzathakusa kungakalinzelwa. Labanyenti ke babulawa ngesihluku kufaka ikhatsi kudutshulwa nekulengiswa kwashiswa ke nemiti yabo. Lesi ke saba sigameko lesibhlungu kundlula tonke letaba khona kusukela leli latfola inkululeko. Kusolakala ukuthi ke kwashona bantfu labangetulu kwa 20,000.
Umndeni wakwaNyawose walahlekelwa amalunga ngaphezulu kwamahlanu kanye nezihlobo. Lena indlu yabo eyacekelwa phansi abahlaseli ngomlilo. Ukubulawa kwabantu abayishumi nesishagalolunye okwakukhona nosana olunezinyanga eziyishumi kwathusa umhlaba wonke. UDumazile Nyawose owasinda uthi akasolibungaza usuku lukaKhisimusi njengoba lumkhumbuza isigameko esibhlungu esenzeka. Uthi kwakuyisikhathi sasekuseni okuyilapho ezwa ukukhala kwabantu nokuqhuma kwezibhamu. Uthi wabona nembizi ishiswa wabaleka nezingane zakhe ezintathu. Bathi bewela umfula kwadutshulwa undodakazi wakhe uPhindile oyineminyaka engu-17. Uthi wabona abahlaseli begwaza isidumbu sikaPhindile abanye besikapa.
Makuza nje uKhisimusi kuvele kubuye leso sithombe ukuthi konje namhlanje kwenzeka into efana nale. Angidli nje kwakudla ngoKhisimusi mina.
Umyeni wakhe uMzwenkani Nyawose wasinda naye.
Imizi yazi yashiswa yonke yaphela nya. Ngaze ngaqhamuka lena le ngane le umfowethu ukhipha. Babe emciyela phambi kwami. Ngithandaza. Angikholwa mina. Kodwa ngalolanga ngathandaza. Ngasho ngathi mangabe owangilethayo wena Nkosi njengoba wangidala wangiletha emhlabeni wangidalela ukuthi ngohamba kanje ngiyavuma ngoba angisazi isono engisenzile.
Ngenkathi kungcwatshwa ababibulewe uhulumeni wathembisa ukuthi abenzi bobubi bazobanjwa. Kwaqokwa ithimba elalizophenya, kwajutshwa amaphoyisa namasosha ukuzoqapha kule ndawo. Amadoda ayishumi aqula leli cala, kwathi abayi13 balahlwa icala. Abahlanu badlulisa amacala benza i-appeal eyaguqulwa isigwebo. Umndeni wakwaNyawose njengeminye imindeni endaweni wabuya waqala phansi ukwakha. Namuhla izakhamizi zithi amalungu e-ANC ne-IFP ahlilisene ngokuthula.
Uzwa ngathi kukhona nje ukubuyisana ngoba sengiyakwazi ukuhamba zonke indawo zasezingolweni. Sesiyakwazi ukuhamba umuntu wakashobashobani uhambele zonke lezi indawo zasezingolweni nemicimbi ebakhona siyahambelana nabantu bayakwazi ukusakuthina.
Engikufisayo kakhulu ukuthi njengoba bebona nabo amaqembu ngendlela ayesebambisene ngayo okuyi-ANC ne-IFP namanye engathi nathi siyisizwe sakacele singanamathela lapho sikhombise nathi ukubambisana njengawo amaqembu nje bephumela ubala nje nathi siphumela ubala ukuthi siyayibona into ebeyenza kufanele ukuthi masibambisane ukuze siye phambili singabuyeli emuva.
I-ANC ithi kufanele kube nezinhlelo zokubuyisana.
Zikhona inhlelo zokuthi njengoba sihlale senza lo mbungazo nje inhloso yokuthi sifuna ukuthi kwakheke ubunye ukuthenini kube umndeni noma kube umphakathi ozokwazi ukuthi uhlangane ezweni senkosi la kacele lo mphakathi ukwazi ukuthi kube khona ukubuyisana ngoba ireconciliation ibaluleke kakhulu ukuthi noma ngabe kwenzakalani ngazo sikhathi kwenzeka ngaso kodwa into ebalulekile ukuthi kufanele sigcine sikwazile ukuthi sihlale njengomphakathi sendawo sibonisane.
I-IFP nabaholi bayo baziqhelanisa nalesigameko sokuhlaselwa kwabantu. Ubuholi bomdabu buphakamisa ukuthi kube nenhlambuluko esizweni ukuze abantu bathobeke amanxeba. Kuhlelwa ukubungaza lolu suku lwesibhicongo esenzeka eminyakeni ngama-30 edlule. Londi Radebe, SABC News, ezingolweni.
Njengobe imindeni leminyeni iqhubeka nekubungata Khisimusi, kunemindeni losemanzi Mtoti eningizimu yeKwaZulu Natal lokhala ke letmartphones ngemva kwekuminda kwemntwana wabo. Kusolakala ukuthi siyabonga kumede uminde emfuleni ngesikhathi imoto bebahamba ngayo nalabanye ke labane ikhukhulwa ngemandi. Le moto beyitama kwendlula libhuloho lebeligcwele emandi ahamba ngetulu kwalo ngelisonto. Titfumbuta labanye ke lababili titfolwe ngemsombuluko.
Lesigameko sendeke entsambama yangelisonto ngesikhathi lemoto yetama kwecala ibhuloho beligcwele imandi liphuphuma. Imoto beyihamba ngasiyabonga kumede nalabanye labane ikhukhulwe ngulamandi. Lababili bakhonile kuphuma kule moto. Kanti titfumbuta labanye lababili tibese titfolwa ngemsombuluko. Kepha sitfumbu sakumede kutsi made kube ngulamuhla solo asitfolakali. Umndeni wakhe uvakashela njalo kulomfula kuyotfungatha.
Sonke sifisa ukumthola noma ke ngasaphili because mesibala ama-hours sibala insuku. Siyabona ukuthi vele akasekho sesamngele futhi nasenhlizweni. Kodwa sesifisa ithambo ukuze sithole iclosure.
Emaphoyisa nemalunga emphakathi bayingcenye yalabatfungathako.
Ithimba le search and rescue kunamanye ama missings akhona around the south coast. Ngenxa ukuthi le idinga ukuthi kube khona inja leyasemaphoyiseni bathe ukuyimiswa kwanamhlanje ba attende lawo la ngadingi kakhulu kube khona inja abantu banayo ekuyiyona ekutholakala njengoba iyodwa from Pietermaritzburg.
Njengoba leli lijabulele Khisimusi, umndeni wakagumede uhleli ethembeni ukuthi sitawutfolakala sivumbu semntwana wabo.
Kutemidlalo umceceshi weBafana Bafana Hugo Broos uthi ke kutawufana nekutigwaza ngesikhali uma ngabe ke batawunaka umdlali loyedwa weEgypt Mohamed Salah emidlalweni weAfcon kusasa uthi bahlose kuligucisa la Faro.
We are not focused on no one. For us the most important thing is the team. It should be a big mistake from our side to focus on one or another team of the Egyptian team. We all know how good Salah is. We all know how good Marmoush is. We all know how good Trezeguet is and other players. So it is such a good team. Why shouldn't we focus? Why should we focus on one player? We have to be prepared for to beat the team and not to make maybe to see that Salah doesn't play good or that Marmoush don't play good. No, for us it's the team that is important, and we don't really focus on one or another player.
Kanzi kuphumelela kwebafana bafana kutayibeka kumkhumula jezi. Leli qembu liphumelele umdlalo wekuqala ngesikhathi ligucisa iAngola ngeligoli linye eqanzeni. Mbukeli tiyagoca talamuhla asiphinze sihlangane ngalokutako. Silithimba letindzaba tesiswati sinifisela Khisimusi lomuhle nemaholiday laphephile. Nishayele kahle kutenphephe itingotini temgwaqo. Letelama letike titfole ngesixhosa nacwaba insimbi yesikhombisa kuyo lenkundla. Ungakhohlwa sikhona simo selitulo nanto zakhe ngemva kwetitolo busuku lobuhle ngwane.
Asikubingelele sikwamukele kunasi simo selitulu kuleli suku la Khisimusi kusihlwa namuhla ngora lomuhle kanze ke masibuka sithombe sethu akhombisa kuba mahle kakhulu ke mathuba emvula cishe ke mawubuka la esifunza ke Eastern Cape njengoba lapha kuye ke la 60% kanze ke asimile ku 30% cishe ke eMpumalanga yelive ngora lomuhle kanze ke likhombisa ke kubalela mawehla ke la uyentsholalanga Kapa ngora lomuhle kanze ke naselangeni la kusasa achubeke njalo lawo mathuba emvula njengoba anyukela ke la ku 60% mawubuka kakhulu kati sifunza ke eMpumalanga nesifunza ke eGauteng kanze ke asimile lapha ku 30% kanjalo netincenye ke sifunza kanze ke mawubuka ke la isifunzeni Northern Cape ngora lomuhle livalile ke ngemafu kuleto ndzawo leto ngora lomuhle kanze ke sicwayiso lesivela kwa South African Weather Service elangeni la kusihlwa namuhla likhombisa ke kuduma kakhulu mawubuka ke la cishe ke sifunza eGauteng eMpumalanga eNorthwest Free State ngora lomuhle kanze ke la naselangeni la kusasa ngora lomuhle sesekhona lesicwayiso njengoba likhombisa ke la kuduma kakhulu mawubuka ke ikakhulu kade sifunza ke eGauteng ngora lomuhle kanze ke la likhombisa ke la kucubuka ke umlilo ikakhulu kade mawubuka ke la eNtshonalanga Kapa ngora lomuhle kanze ke masicubeka sikubukela ke la emazinga ekushisa kutseme njani ikakhulu kade langeni la kusasa masibuka ke la sifunza eGauteng indzawo lefana nabo Pretoria Broncos Sprit lapha ku 29 lifuthumele kanze ke Springs Johannesburg eFranageni lapha kuye ke la 28 kanze ke sifunza iLimpopo lindzawo lefana nabo Musina liphala lapha ku 33 nakubo Parabula kuyashisa eBekasford nga 31 naseBilabila kanze ke Mokopane nasepulukwane ngola lomuhle likhombisa ke kufuthumala kanze ke eMpumalanga ndzawo lefana nabo Skukuza lishisa likhipha umkhovetsheni nga 33 30 eMbombela mawuhlela bo Carolina lapha ku 29 eMelo 28 mabuye eMkhondo lapha ku 32 kuyashisa kuleto ndzawo leto kanze ke KwaZulu Natal indzawo lefana nabo Mnambithi lapha ku 31 28 mabuke Vryheid Richards Bay nakhona lifuthumela nga 27 lipholile Kokstad nabo Port Shepstone ngayeke la 23 ngwala lomuhle kanze ke sifunza iKwaZulu Natal nobeke iEastern Cape indzawo lefana nabo Komani lapha ku 24 pholile naseqonqa nga 21 kwana Joli lapha ku 22 20 emakhanda kanze ke mawuhlele Gqeberha ngwala lomuhle lapha kuyeke la 21 kanze ke iWestern Cape indzawo lefana nabo Fredendal lapha ku 29 eHleni Williams lapha ku 32 ePfort West ku 30 mabuka bo George lipholile nga 22 kanze ke mabuka nangale kubo Kapa ngwala lomuhle lapha kuyeke la 26 ngwala lomuhle kanze ke masichubeka sibuka ke la sifunza iNorthern Cape indzawo lefana ke la nabo Springbok lapha kuye ke la 29 eCalvin liyashisa nga 31 eSutherland lipholile nga 29 eDR lapha kuye ke la 32 mabuka nabo Kimberley lishisa likhipha umkhovetsheni nga 35 eUppington lapha kuye ke la 37 kuyashisa kuleto ndzawo leto ngora lomuhle kanzi ke sifunza iFree State mabuka ndzawo lefana nabo Bothaville lapha kuye ke la 33 kuyashisa nabo Welkom nga 32 kanzi ke Sasolburg lapha ku 30 lifuthumele Frankfurt nga 29 mabuka nabo Webner lapha kuye ke la 30 kanjalo nabo Harepdam ngora lomuhle nabo Fixback likhombisa ke la kushisa kuleto ndzawo leto ngora lomuhle kanzi ke masichubeka sikubukela ke la sifunza iNorthwest sikhombisa kuba ke nemvula nasisifunza ngora lomuhle mabuka ke la ndzawo lefana nabo Tosca kuyashisa nga 33 31 mabuka bo Vryburg 32 ikakhulu kati kubota ngora lomuhle kanjalo nakubo Rustenburg lapha ku 30 wehlele kubo Port Shepstone ngora lomuhle kungako bengikuphathele kona sithembe ukuthi lisuku la Khisimusi esahamba kahle emakhaya angivumele kuwe ngithi busuka bube ngilobuhle